in your projects also. Okay, so just listen carefully whatever with the functionality and how we get that functionality in Drupal, whatever with the project. Yeah, in the web application, in any website, uh, maximum functionality just relate to each other. Is that functionality we can achieve in .NET, we can achieve in coordinator or core PHP, in WordPress or Drupal or in Zend also. Okay, but there's different way of coding, nothing else. Drupal just provide extra functionality modules, means they just provide third party modules. We can add extra functionality into our website and get that our requirement, that particular requirement. Okay, so let's see. Let me open that website. Nexus maybe. Spelling, but another, don't give them URL. Okay, do you have telephonic call na? Nexus. Give them URL, or if they search on over internet and get this website, then you can say them. Maybe Ankit sir told you more recently. Then you can say that, yeah, when you are working on this, you are currently working on this project. Did anything suggest by Ankit sir about your life project? He didn't suggest anything. Okay, you can say that, yeah, right now this website is in .NET. Yeah, live, this is the live website, and right now you are currently working on that project. So maybe you can say the client getting some trouble in customization, or just achieve any particular requirement, so he just rebuilding the website in Drupal. He or client getting some issues, database related issue. So Drupal can manage a big database easily, that's why maybe. But this website is currently being developed in Drupal, you can say that, because it is your current project. Okay, Nazar. Yeah, it is .NET. If your client, if you get this requirement, this URL, so he can easily just put the URL into one website. There is a build with website. Do you know about this website? Built with website, there is a website. So we have to just put the URL of any site, so they will tell you about the technology used for development for particular site, particular website. Just a built with, we have to just put the URL, nothing else, and click on lookup. So you will get classic ASP. ASP is the web technology of .NET, ASP.NET, and all the things. So it is in the .NET, and these are the jQuery. We have to include jQuery. We have to use jQuery in any technology. Okay. Should sign out this account of Chirag sir. Okay. Did you understand? Built with, why the client use this one? So anybody can know about your URL easily. Just get 15 second or 20 second, within the 20 second. He knows what technology we use, what framework we use. So that's why we cannot provide the URL directly. So this is our site. Okay. So you can, here is something, this close it. What is this? Let me refresh this. Any advertisement is there? I'm not getting. Okay, let me open in any other browser. So, can you hear me properly, Nazar? Should I stop the fan? Is there any background noise? Yeah. Did you remember Nazar and Kushi about views, blocks, view blocks and panels, web cursor, our slider, our bootstrap slider, cursor slider, or one more slider we just see when we are discussing about the Drupal. These things, did you remember our block, how we set our regions, different regions, different blocks? Is it? Okay. So let me open. Okay, so this part you can say that the legal and professional solution you are developing or you have developed a most of functionality of this part. Okay, this is a big website. No, it is not a work of only one developer. There would be two or three developers. Okay, now first thing you can see here, this slider. This is a slider or not, Nazar? This is a slider right now. It is not. Yeah, this is a slider, a simple old slider. OWL, old slider. This is a old slider. Old cursor you can see. Cursor, maybe this is this. Really? Old cursor just for slide. Same we use bootstrap slider. There is one old cursor slider available, a module. We have a module in Drupal 7. Cursor, all cursor in Drupal 7. Okay. So we get this slider easily. Where is the module? Cursor in Drupal 7. Which there should be a module. Yeah. Same old default thing. Module. I have the module and I have integrated also in our Boni Travels or cursor module in Drupal 7. So same way with the help of view, we get that particular slider, that particular all cursor. Okay, content Drupal module all. Like this is not a. This is this one. Okay, there's no. There's one dependent module. You can say a jQuery update. If anybody asks you which dependent library or module, you can say the jQuery functionality just provided by jQuery library. So we can add jQuery library with the help of jQuery update module. Okay. Dependent module means whenever we enable any module we want to after installing, whenever we want to enable this module, so we need uh, maybe sometimes we need some dependent modules also. First we have to enable them, then only we can enable this whole module. We can get the functionality of this module. Okay, so jQuery update module. Okay, requirements, you can say that. jQuery update module. Views, we need views every time, views, because we will create the slider with the help of views. Okay, view, block view, a page view. We already discussed how we create a slider. At the time of creating a page view, a block view, we get an option of different options are there. We just select a bootstrap cursor or a all cursor will be, if we install this module, so we will get the option all cursor option. We have to just select them, nothing else, nothing have to do spatially. Okay, now you can tell them how you get this slider. And just put into this page, this onto the block, content block, in the top of the content block, content region. So you are getting this slider only this page. You just set the URL just for only for this page. We can set the URL. We can just manage our different view for particular page only. We already discussed about this also. Okay, now next one, there is a menus. These are the menus. These are the, if you see right now, these are the simple menus. Okay, in the different theme we get these kind of menus. Okay, but if you click on them, there is a big menu, mega menu, you can say. In generalized word, this is the mega menu. But how you get this these menus, this kind of menus means within the menu there is different options. There's so many options are there. We can click any one of them with description also. Yeah, we have one module for that also. The kind of module we have, one second, what is the name? Tab menu, TB mega menu. Yeah, TB mega menu. Let me search. TB mega menu. Search in Google. They will help us. Maybe there is some other name here. Drupal module. Drupal 7. Okay. You have developed your website in Drupal 7. Okay. Don't go to Drupal 8 because Drupal 8 based on Symfony, and we don't know about the Symfony anything. We don't know the syntax also. Okay, Nazar. Now this is the TB mega menu. Why it is not in that search? So this is the TB mega menu with the help of, yeah, you can see in the screenshot also. We get these kind of mega menus. We can set different blocks in the menu, and we can show different these kind of links and with the description. Okay, if we click, then we will just redirect to that particular related link. Okay, so this is the TV mega menu. You can describe them. Yeah, you have used TV mega menu module for that. You have to just configure some setting, and the particular page. Just you have to select the particular page for TV mega menu module. So you will get these kind of functionality. Okay. contact us. We will see the contact us also, but later in the end we will see the contact us. So this is the slider, our all cursor, and this is the TB mega menu in the Drupal 7. I'm just talking about the Drupal 7. So next, yeah, these option, how we can get these option, Nazar? Means this is yeah, this is not related our slider. This is you can say definition or information about the different services. This whatever this website provide the service, this is the information about the services. How, if we see as a developer, how we get these options, means it is related to in Drupal also. Let's assume this is our Drupal website. How we get this option, this option? Three images are there. There is a description and a detail. If I click on this, then I will just redirect to that particular page where we have a detailed view of the services. And if we want to service, then we can get the service by just applying something or just paying some money with the paying of some money. Okay. So how we get this option? How we get this option? Can you guess? Actually, we have to guess only. So can you guess? Means if I want to, this is our home page. Let's assume this is our home page. We have set it mega menu and our slider. Below slider, I need a three informative services. We have a services. We have different services in our website. I just want to describe some important service just below slider. How I can just describe them or what we have to do in Drupal. Okay, okay, I'll describe you. These are sorry, canvas. No, 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 no. Ten, no, I didn't get you. Ten, no. This is simple. Ten, no, no. This is simple. Simple means we already discussed. Means we just created a block. Okay, we just create what we create a block view. With that, within that block view, what we display a particular a service. We have a content type. Okay, let's start from the content type. We have a content type name. We give the name of that content type services. Okay, within that content type we have images, some detail and all the things. If we move to this particular detail view, so we have different image uploader or whatever we need for that particular content type, service content type. So what we have done now, we created a block view. Okay, a block view, did you remember? We can create a view, two type of view, page view and a block view. So we just created a block view. Within that block view, what we displayed our service content type. Service content of service content type. Okay, these are the content or not? These are the different content of our content type. Let's assume. Okay, we have more content types, more contents of that particular service content type. Okay, did you understand what I'm trying to say? We have one content type, service type. Okay, service content type. First, within that content type, we have different content. Same as we have basic pages, articles, and I just show you how we create a content product content type. How we add the product different product into that product content type. Custom. We have two type of content, means user defined content type. Did you remember user defined? What is the user defined content types? Drupal just provide Drupal just provide two basic content type, articles and pages, basic page. We can create our own content type or not. Khushi, Nazar? So, what we have done, we have created a service content type. Within that content type, we can add any number of content. So, we have added, uh, let's assume we have 100 of services. Okay, so we added 100 content into that particular content type. Now, I have to just show recent or recent three or important three content type. So, we have to uh, take one particular field, so it will just uniquely identify these three. Means you can say a field, select box, important or not important. Okay, important, not important. So important one will be displayed here, important one, or only three. How we just set the filter? We can set the filter differently filter. We can set the filter while we are creating our block view. Did you remember? We set filters, how we filter our content, how we filter our view. Nazar? Means id basis we can filter. We need only a particular content type, we need only articles, then we can set a filter also. We need only limit 3. So there would be only 3 content type. Means what we have done, we have created a block view service, and within that block view we included a service content type only, and that content type should be important and only recent 3, not showing all content. So we get a view. So after we creating that view, what we have to do, just put into this region. Means this is our content area or not, this is the header. Okay, and in the bottom this is the footer. So this is our, we are not using sidebar left and first sidebar, second sidebar. We just use content area. So within the content area, after slider, after all slider, we just put our that particular view whatever we have created. Okay, so we get this kind of view. We have to just set, we have to manage our view, then we can display this kind of information with the help of view, block view. Okay, did you understand, Nazar? Block view, is there any confusion? You can ask me, no issue. Okay, Khushi, are you there? Okay, now next, actually another have less time. Feature product. Okay, so you have one, let's assume you have one more content type, product type, and within that content type you have one field featured yes or no. Okay, if your content, you have different lots of products, lots of different products you have. So if it is featured, then we will just display two featured products same way. Just below that particular view, we put our new view, featured view here. Okay, we are just displaying two contents only within that view. Okay, Nazar? Same way you can describe this. And again, we have used one more cursor. You can say that if you have used either all cursor. So what you have to do, if you want to create one more cursor within this, maybe only news type content. Okay, news and topics, news type content. You have to create one more block view. Within that block view, you have to just display only news type content, and you have to just select all cursor. Then it will be cursor, and you have to, after creating a functioning view, you have to just put that into that region, into the main content area below your second view. Just put the third view, so you will get this information. Just put a show all button also in that view. If you click on this, then you will get all news and topic, list of all news and topic. If you click on a particular one, then you will get detail of news and topic. So we have, again we have one more content type. So in Drupal, most of cases in Drupal there is a base game of only content types, blog, reason, blog, our views, content type, views, and some extra functionality like cursor and our mega menu, this kind of functionality. We have to just put them together as per requirement, no issue. Okay, you can say that. If you remember, yeah, you can remember the cursor, all cursor we have used for this also. Okay, we can set id, we can set id and classes also in our particular view, and our designer just made them view like this, means this is not a bigger one, this is a smaller one compared to our first slider. Okay, it is in full width, we can set in our configuration while we are creating that particular view, that particular block view. We can configure, we can set different configuration of how how to display and what kind of what would be the weight, what would be the height of this slider. Okay, does it? And this is one video. What is this? This is one video. So this is not a video from our server. This is just a link of, just a link of a video from YouTube, and we are used in iframe. What we have done, we have used one iframe. Now what is iframe? What is iframe? Iframe is also one HTML tag. Did you know about the iframe, Nazar Kushi? Iframe tag in HTML, Nazar? Did you see anywhere? Actually, we didn't discuss about this. Yeah, HTML5 you maybe iframe tag in HTML. Iframe tag for video also there. Just iframe means a simple tag. We have to just put a URL of any particular web page. Then that iframe will display that particular web page into a specified region, means into a particular block, into a particular width and height. Let me show you. So what is this? Sorry. Just simple three line of code. Nothing is there. Iframe is a tag of HTML. Iframe start, iframe end. Okay. There is a property src. Within the src, whatever the URL you will use, one second, sorry. Whatever the URL you will use, that will be within the iframe. Okay, your browser does not support. If you didn't get that particular URL, or actually there is some tag also, some HTML tag, some browser will support that tag, some browser will not support that tag. You can say there is one example of that blink tag. There is a blink tag also. uh, our only Firefox will support that blink tag. Chrome and Internet Explorer will not support. Same way, maybe iframe will not be supported by Internet Explorer. There would be a chance. So you will get this message, nothing else. So you, if you change this URL, okay, let me change this www dot, not Google, okay, google.com. Just use it. You will get http Google. I'm getting the Google. paste URL .co.in. Not showing right now. Should be displayed on Google. Maybe Google will not display it. Maybe there is security, whatever. But we will just display our whole web page into that particular reason. Means we can set height width of that iframe. It's maybe there's a chance. Last try because we don't have lots of time. Now, no, 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 no. One. Did you understand the working of this iframe or not? The main reason of the why we use this iframe. I'm not displaying anything. Yeah, we can display video source also. Actually, this is the URL of this particular website. Okay, so whatever the URL we have used within, we can show audio video tag. Yeah, with the help of video tag, actually, with the help of video tag, we can display the video, but from our server only. From our server means within our local server we have video, but with the help of iframe tag we can display the video from YouTube. The link of YouTube also we can put. Where is what this one? I can show you. This is the iframe. Inspect element firewall or on this element. System is slow. Within this div, we have button. Within button, SVG. Code is there. There is the iframe. Yeah, we have just see there is iframe. Just yeah, time. Right now, I'm not getting that particular iframe. HTTP slide.jpg. Yeah, this is the iframe. It is confirmed because I get that particular thing. We can use the iframe for displaying the video. Okay, just remember this thing. Right now, we don't. We have to discuss some more thing. We can display a particular web page into a into this in this video weight and height. What we have done, we have displayed our whole web page. Okay, if we need that kind of requirement, we can use iframe. There is a iframe of iframe tag for video also available. So we just use iframe tag for video for that requirement. Okay, just remember this thing. We have to move ahead. Okay, Kushi, just try to understand about the iframe. Just learn about the iframe tag. A simple tag, no issue with the iframe. Now, this is our footer, simple footer. And what we have used, if we anybody asks you why it is the means in company different links, quick links, different links, means we have used within the footer also we have used different reasons. Reasons means different areas. Okay, within that area we just put our company, we just put a link. These are just a link and heading. If we click on this, then we will redirect to that particular page, nothing else. Okay, how we get this social icons? This is just a image, icon image, and this is the linked id of our link id, means whatever the company's link id of this website, the link of that link id. So any user can join, can follow on linkedin page, on linkedin. Okay, sorry, linkedin. Okay, Nazar, a simple links, nothing else. More contact information and different. Now let's move to contact us page. In this contact us page you don't use web form. Okay, because there is no input box or no submission from the user. They have just shown their information of contacting or their numbers, nothing else, their address. They didn't use any form, any contact us form. Okay, so you didn't use web form. Don't say you have used web form. Most of the time for contact us page, if we are developing a contact us page where user can put their information and their detail and submit to administrator, then we have to use web form. Web form, there is a module web form. Did you remember, Nazar, Kushi, in Drupal 7 web form for contact us page? Yeah, but in this site, in we didn't use anything to submit from the user. We just use different information. Okay, so quick tabs. Okay, quick tabs, did you remember quick tabs? There is a module, quick tab module. Nazar, Kushi, first thing, quick tab module. We already discussed about the quick tab module. What we have to, there is a quick tab module. We have to enable that module. After installing, we have to just enable that module and use when we are creating any view, either page view or block view. Again view comes into the picture. Okay, view is the most important thing in our Drupal site. Lots of the tasks will be done with the help of views. Okay, Nazar and Kushi. Now the quick tab, we have discussed about the quick tab. Yeah, there is a module with the, if you enable that module while creating a view, you will get a option of quick tab. You can create a quick tab, this kind of quick tab with the help of quick. Yeah, the name of that module is also quick tab. Maybe quick tab. Okay, sorry. Found. Quick tab also not found. Maybe I'm searching in any search. Quick tabs. This is the module. I think so. We already use this module. Okay, just revise that thing. No issue. A simple module. No, not to worry. Yeah, yeah. We have used quick tabs. Maybe you both of you forget because I know very well we have used quick tabs. We displayed the information in different articles in different tabs also in any particular page. Okay, with the help of just remember this thing right now. Yeah, just remember this thing. We with the help of quick tabs, what we can do, we can get this kind of functionality. Okay, different information in different tabs. Okay, Nazar, Kushi, we will revise that thing maybe any other session. And there is one more module we can use in the contact us. Uh, accordion module. Accordion module. Where is that? Use. Not accordion module. We are on contact us. Yes. We, there would be a training. Single information. Let me. This is footer. Carrier. No. Single information. Single information. Again, you can say the quick tabs. Yeah, within the quick tabs, these are the okay. If I click on Africa, then the information of Africa will be, it means whatever be the address in Africa, it will be displayed. Just as static information, how we get this kind of functionality? We have one more module for that, this kind of functionality. If we click, then it will just open that. If I click again, it will be hide. Okay, this is not a quick tab. Quick tab is different, and this is the different. Okay, this is the accordion module. Because of accordion, let me accordion module, let me search accordion. Yeah, jQuery. This is kind of jQuery functionality, but we have module in our Drupal. Module in Drupal 7. Basic. What is the basic function? jQuery function. This is the jQuery functionality. Okay, but in Drupal they just provide us a module, pre-coded module. We have to just use. We have to just set some configuration. Nothing else. We don't have to code so much. Lots of. We don't need to do that. Accordion module. Yeah. Accordion module menu. Accordion menu. Accordion menu module. Okay. Okay, Nazar. So with the help of that accordion menu module, we get that kind of functionality. So you can say that within the contact us form, you have used quick tab module for displaying different um, you can say different part of information, and with the help of accordion menu, yeah, menu module, we have displayed different information of different country, not information, different address of different our different countries. Okay, this is the functionality. It is called accordion functionality. Whatever it is functionality, it is called accordion functionality. Okay, within the accordion, another tab functionality. Okay, Nazar, is there any confusion till now? Yeah, you can describe now little bit, or maybe Somehow you can describe this thing or not, Nazar? Means if they ask you, means you can say that yeah, this part you have done, and all the things, the slider, the views, the accordion module, and different menu block, quick tab, quick link. Now next, in the sorry I didn't get you, Nazar. Maybe there is one side, but we don't have code of that side also. Core coding, the same issue because of the that client will not provide us a code. Yeah, we have maybe one website in Drupal, one or two in Drupal. Maybe one is there. Um, yeah, but they didn't get the. You can say there. Yeah, no, no, you don't have to say anything. Means maybe you didn't get the URL, correct URL. Maybe you can say that you are not getting the correct URL of that website. Right now you don't have the URL. You have just developed the project and hand over to the client by your company. You develop in your mm, staging server of your company server, and company just hand over that website to the client. Don't know the URL. Okay. Next. There is one more thing. Industries. No, right now solution. There is a card. Card means a product purchasing. And card functionality is there. Which communicating blocks maybe solutions, legal search, guidance, maybe the first one. Let me see. First, time. Can you see this, Nazar? Uh, this is just you can say that pager. Um, New name. One second. There is a module name also for pager. Menu for quickly extra menu. There is some product also. Maybe not in this. I can see. I can search that pager. Yeah, you will get that pager menu easily. This is called pager or pagination. Okay, okay, Nazar. Just the information of different content, different services, business update. There is a functionality of purchasing and selling. Then there you can say that you have used Uber card. I'm not getting that functionality. Where is that functionality? Stores, maybe within the stores. California. And stores. Catalog, categories, page. Yeah. Within the store tab, if you click anything, any product, I mean there is different kind of product, different kind of services, and you have managed them with the help of Uber card. Means if I just click on add to cart, there is one. if I just click on 1 year subscription or anything, select here, there card one will be there. So I just select this one and add to cart. Our product will be added to cart. So you can say you have used Uber card for that, Uber card module for getting the functionality of selling any product, any services. You have just used different and in place of product you have used these services. This is one kind of product. Okay, this is the product. Real estate laws means they just provide the information, they just provide the benefits of these services. But after purchasing this, first user has to purchase these services, then only they will our website or their they will just provide these services after purchasing. So what you have to do, just add to cart. What I have added? No, thanks, I have added already. Yeah, one item. Just click on the card. It will be display card detail. These all the things will be in where card. If you learn about the where card in detail, you will get these whole functionality. There would be uh, already created pages are there. We don't have to create any page. We don't have to code for card logic. There is a card. Okay, this checkout button, just check out. If you click on checkout, then it will be redirect us to particular payment option. Let's say so checkout us means in form profile to we have to return the consumer login. We have to log in first. Right now we don't have the login credentials. After login only we can check out. One more time, let me try. Then I can show you new customer checkout now. Okay. So there would be some information, customer information we have to they have to fill, address and all the thing. Then after continue, you can say that we have used any payment option, payment gateway. PayPal is there, and different payment gateways there. Okay, within the Uber card there is a PayPal and one more. I'm just forgetting that name of that gateway. Already inbuilt in Uber card. Okay, payment gateway. Payment gateway means if user purchase these services by their credit card or debit card, then whatever with the money is deducted, it will be just saved into the that particular PayPal account of owner of this website. Okay, to the owner of this website. Then they can just transfer their money from PayPal to their account. Okay, Nazar. So this is what I have done today for you. Simple description and just try to describe them more efficiently. And maybe there, yeah, time means you don't have time, lots of time, maybe 10 or 20, yeah, maybe 15. Okay, so that's for the session for you. I will just continue with the pushing and best of luck for the interview, Nazar. Bye bye. Kushi, are you there? Okay, Kushi. So just revise the things. Oh, sorry, sorry. I just deleted that three screen sharing tab. Can you see the screen? No, na? Kushi, are you there? So, did you understand our last session? What we have done? We have included our calendar plugin. Means in any text box we can use calendar with the help of jQuery calendar plugin, and slider also we have used. Okay, CK editor. Okay, right now, yeah, in Drupal we have a module for CK editor, but in core PHP, in code igniter or any other framework which don't have the library of CK editor, so what we have to do now, let's see how we get the CK editor in our core PHP or in framework in code igniter. Sorry, screen is not working. Actually you are not online. Means, let me restart the meeting. Can you see the chat? But not now. Now it is working. Not working. Fushi, is that working or not? My yeah. Okay. Now our CK editor. CK editor. Did you remember CK editor? Coding. Then we need coding. CK editor for coding. Help of coordinator. Where is that link? Stack Overflow link should be there. First, we have to download the zip file of code CK editor, and we have to put that zip file into our coordinator folder. But there will be some configuration in your view, print the edit. Now, this is the long way. This is not the correct way. See, I had that link. See, UV, the editor in coordinator. One second. Oh, oh, oh. One, one, two, one. Okay, let me first download this CK editor. CK editor, and we will just try CK editor zip. Just write CK editor zip, and it will be give you links how to download the CK editor. Download it for you. Standard. Okay, this is still the standard one, and download it. It will just provide you a whole library of CK editor within the zip file, around 1 MB folder. Yeah, it is done. Bam, bam. System is so slow. Yeah, just use bam. Let me refresh. So this is also our jQuery plugin, same as date picker, slider, CK editor, also a jQuery plugin. So we can include the functionality of CK editor into our website, our coding editor website or core PHP website. Okay. So here is the default JSON. Option we have downloaded CK editor. We have to extract that zip file, extract here or anywhere. I'm just extracting, and I will just do all. We already have CK editor. Time. So we have extracted our CK editor. Just copy that folder and just copy only that folder. Just go to our website. Where is our website? In BAM, in www. CI demo. Okay, CI demo. Just put that CK editor here. We just put the library of our CK editor. Now we have to include some JS file, but I'm not getting that particular link. Now, there's no description. Well, PHP. Why it is not displaying Stack Overflow answer? Let me use another browser. just we have to include some JS file, and in place of any text area, we have a text area tag in HTML or not, Kushi? So the text area tag just help us to enable CK editor. Yes, this is what we have done. We have downloaded the CK editor file and just use this ckeditor.js also within our CK editor folder, and this style format.cs is also there. What we have to do, we have to include these two, one JavaScript file and one CSS file. Let me show you. We have included that within, this is our CK editor. This is the CID. Yes, CK editor. Okay. Within this, we have all the files ckeditor.js and style, not style.js. There is a CSS file also within this library. So what we have to do, we just go to view file, views, application, and not in controller, not in config, not in cache, not in model also, in views, any, not error, in index.html, views, okay, demo.php, but when it is execute, we welcome email password. Yes, it is our main file. So what I'm going to do, I just included this one. Okay, base URL CK editor, base URL will just give us our base URL means till this CIDEM, link of CIDEM. Did you understand what we have done till now? Just included these two lines, nothing else in our view page. In our view page, okay, any view page we can use. Now what we are doing, we are just using a text area. Text area, what we have to give a ID, a particular ID, this sorry, name editor 1. If we give editor 1, then we will get a CK editor. I'm just copying whole the thing, but editor 1 is the important thing of this text area. Just give a text area. Now we need some JS code, this is the our JS code, just a script and editor. Let me show you, not just here, I'm just showing you right now. Here we can include within just end of the page. Sorry, just end of the page. Right now I'm just using this below of our text area. Script tag start and script tag, and here close of tag. Okay, within this script tag, what we have used, CK editor. This is the function of this library, the definition of this function within the library or JS file of CK editor, ckeditor.js. Okay, of this function of what we are doing, we are replacing ID. Sorry, ID is important. ID. Okay, ID replacing whatever with the ID. EDI editor. Okay, EDI, we have used ID EDI of our text area, so we have replaced that text area into CK editor. Let me show you. I will describe that again. Localhost ci demo, and this is the login or not. Once again, text, we have the all these. Once again, let me delete here. Welcome message. This is not our page. Login. Let's go to login.php. I don't know. I have to just, if I want to run the code, I have to just include all the thing. Just go to login.php. Yes, here we have, just include that one and that links also. This 4 line of code from that page to this page. In the head tag, we generally include JS file and CSS file. We are getting a CK editor. Okay, this is the CK editor or not? Yeah, we can manage our CK editor with the CSS. We can just minimize our height and width. We can customize our height and width. Kushi, are you there? This is the CK editor, simple CK editor. Kushi, are you there? Hello? Hello, Kushi? Hello?